Dude, you literally heard me on IShowSpeed's live stream. Take a listen.
Drone? Where's the drone at? You know what? He just said that. Bro said I'm loaded up with burgers.
Oh my gosh, Steve!
Anthony's been recording all day. Anthony just got done recording.
I got a car for you! Oh my gosh, Speed, I'm your biggest fan! Please sign my shirt! Please sign my shirt! Oh my gosh! Please sign my shirt!